कौन जीना इसी का नाम है में बातें हो रही थी राहुल से। इनकी फिल्में इंग्लिश ऑगस्ट हो या स्प्लिट वाइड ओपन हो या फिर अब जिसका जिक्र होता मिस्टर एंड मिसेस अय्यर हो और भी हो, होते होते एक अलग ही डायमेंशन राहुल का बतौर एक्टर के नज़र आता है। और उस फिल्म की बात करने से पहले मैं उस फिल्म से जुड़े हुए कुछ लोगों को बुलाना चाहता हूँ। आइए। आदाब शुजय साहब, हाउ आर यू? गुड, आप कैसे हैं? आइए सर, आइए सर।
I'm sneaking in.
इससे बजाय इसके कि मैं इनको इंट्रोड्यूस करूं, राहुल मैं चाहता हूं कि आप इनका तारुफ कराएं।
ये शायन मुंशी हैं,
जी।
वन ऑफ द स्टार्स ऑफ झनकार बीट्स।
जी।
बहुत ही शरारती लेकिन बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं। और ये है सुजॉय घोष, द डायरेक्टर ऑफ झनकार बीट्स, जो जिसे मैंने पहले ब्रेक दिया था एज एन एक्टर इन एवरीबॉडी सेज आई एम फाइन। आफ्टर दैट यू गॉट द जॉब एंड थोड़ा सा पागल है लेकिन ही इज ओके।
तो सुजय साहब, हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद राहुल? Because he had already worked with you once in a different capacity.
You don't have to be nice. Say the truth. Say the truth.
No, actually, he was very good. No, actually, it was very good. It was very good working with Rahul. बहुत ही अच्छे थे. And the good thing about him was when I think he had just come out of the director mantle when he came to doing Shankar, and not once did he interfere.
आप चूंकि आप इनसे बतौर एक्टर के काम ले चुके हैं, आपकी अपनी राय में राहुल की स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स क्या है एज एन एक्टर?
He is very committed. वो बहुत सारे कठिन सवाल करते सीन लेने से पहले. He asked all these relevant questions, and most of the time I didn't have an answer. But that didn't stop him. He went and performed full-heartedly. And
शैन, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था राहुल के साथ?
ये मेरा पहला फिल्म था और I was working with all established people and a debutant director. मुझे रिस्पेक्ट जो मिला है वो सेट पे, I am very grateful to everyone else who's given me that, and especially Rahul. He's always given me the advice that I needed at that particular point and for future. So I really can't say that I've had a bad experience. It's only been a gift to me working with him. Yeah. It's not. I'm not lying. You can do that more because
But to be honest, on this film, working with Shayan and Sanjay and Juhi and Rinki, and I'm not being politically correct, and Riya, was just fun. It was the closest I've come to having fun on a film set, because basically film shooting is not fun.
साथी आपकी हैं जो आपके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहती हैं, उनकी बात आप मानेंगे या नहीं मानेंगे ये आपके ऊपर है, लेकिन आप बात उनकी जरूर सुन लें.
Hi Rahul, you will always be a very, very special co-star to me. Not only because we come from two different worlds of cinema, but also because I've got to learn so much from you. And I've also had my best times working on this film, on Chameli. It's the day I actually wanted to change the entire I wanted to change the entire image of Kareena Kapoor. The first person I got to talk to was you. So for that also you'd be really special. But now that I've praised you so much, you have to do something for me. You have to imitate the way we talk on the sets of Chameli. If you don't do that, then you're gonna find it really, really tough to face me. And lastly, before I go, I hope to work with you again.
I must say, and this is not you scratch my back, I scratch yours. When people said you're acting with Kareena, but you know she's done this film and that film, and then yeah, she was good here. And I said, look, I don't know the girl. I've met her once, and she seems to me to be extremely keen. And as we've been working, Farooq, and it's still happening, not only is this girl curious, this girl is spontaneous, she is fearless.
Okay.
So, I mean, honestly, and I'm going to imitate her right now.
Please.
I call her Chams for Chameli. I still haven't called her Kareena in my life. So this is, I can't believe I'm doing this, but
Please do it.
I'll do it with you, because otherwise I have to do it with someone. Okay. So let's say that you come up to her and you say hi to her first. So you say hi, and she has this habit of, she shifts. She doesn't have a stand state.
Okay. So we'll start with the hi.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Now you have to say something like, would you like to go out for a movie?
Would you like to go out for a movie?
Yeah. Which one?
जो आपको पसंद हो.
Can we go and see Jurassic Park?
Sure.
Shit, it's a damn good film. It's really nice. I love it. I love it. Then you say, no, actually, let's not go to see this. Now you suggest a place to go to for dinner.
उसके बाद खाना खाने चलते हैं कहीं.
Kahan? Where should we go?
मेरा ख्याल है पाव भाजी खाने चलते हैं. बहुत अच्छी किस्म की सड़क पे मिलती है.
Excuse me. If you think I'm going to go to have pav bhaji somewhere, you're really mistaken. I mean, I can't even imagine you take me there. Please, just forget it. No, it's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. That's Karina.